Best 5 Anti-Snoring Pillow. Hello friends, welcome you once again to our YouTube channel, Pleasure in Life. Today, we are going to talk about the best 5 anti-snoring pillow. We have conducted a research and found these pillows are superior compared to other similar pillows. Hope these pillows will help you with a great deal to get rid of your snoring problem. So, let's begin. Number 1. Relax Home Life Anti-Snoring Pillow. This fantastic anti-snoring pillow is ideal for side sleepers and the back sleepers. By using this anti-snoring pillow, you can prop yourself up into a comfy sitting position while watching TV or reading books. Moreover, you can elevate yourself slightly to slip into relaxed, deep sleep or to have a refreshing afternoon nap. Again, this anti-snoring pillow supports the tummy of the pregnant woman. Basic features. Made from bamboo and polyester. Made in the USA. Ideal for snorers, side sleepers, stomach sleepers and back sleepers. Supports neck and shoulder. Removes back pains. 2-layer design. Come with a hypoallergenic and machine washable cover. Dust mite resistant. Number 2. Zeek Smart Anti-Snore Pillow. This anti-snore pillow comes with a fantastic combination of personal audio sound, sleep tracking and snoring solution technology. It is built to ensure more soothing, restful night sleep. Basic features. Snore alarm and gentle vibration help to change sleeping positions. Offers the facility to listen to binaural sleep music, audiobooks. Onboard personal sound system. Audio can only be heard by the user without any headphone. Multiple sleep tracker sensors. Zeek phone app for nightly analysis of the sleep cycle, snoring and restfulness. Built-in motors centralize the vibrating alarm to the user's head and neck. Precision sensors to catalog and track movement throughout the night. Smart remote controller. Convenient extended battery life works for 2 weeks at a stretch. Number 3. Hokonui Anti-Snoring Pillow. This anti-snoring pillow is basically ideal for the snorers, side and back sleepers. It comes with a breathable pillow cover which keeps you comfortable and cool throughout the night. Basic features. Supports head and neck. Prevents snoring. Aligns neck, head and spine. Reduces facial extrusion when the face is rightly at the lowest point. Evenly distributes pressure on head, neck and shoulder. Made of bamboo cotton. Cozy and soothing to feel. Comes with a machine washable cover. Hypoallergenic and dust mite resistant. Number 4. Anduworld Cool Gel Memory Foam Anti-Snoring Pillow. This anti-snoring pillow is an ideal pillow which is basically designed to fight against snoring. It is made of non-toxic and eco-friendly materials. It is a cool gel memory foam pillow which offers you optimum comfort and soothing feeling while sleeping. Basic features. Extremely comfortable and prevents snoring. Pulls moisture away from the skin. Comes with a detachable cotton cover. Provides perfect neck support and improves sleep quality. Soft and cozy. Highly eco-friendly and hypoallergenic. Number 5. U-Shape Anti-Snoring Pillow. This anti-snoring pillow offers you the best possible comfort and sound sleep throughout the night. Moreover, it suits everyone, especially those people who always like to side sleep or have cervical syndrome. This anti-snoring pillow extremely works against the snoring and provides you ultimate feelings of the sound sleep. In addition, this anti-snoring pillow removes insomnia, headache, dizziness, humpback, neck wrinkles, etc. Basic features. Removes snoring problem from the first night of use. Side sleepers can be benefited more. Comes with an ergonomic design. Correct sleeping postures. Ideal for traveling and office use. If you want to know more about these high-quality anti-snoring pillows, please click on the description below. And don't forget to like, share and comment. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe our channel Pleasure in Life. Thanks for watching. Always stay blessed.